What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video where some exciting news for Alfa Romeo F1. They just revealed their 2020 Alfa Romeo C39 livery. All right, now after weeks of teasing this, they finally took the covers off the 2020 today. And this is the first day of F1 winter testing at the Circuit de Barcelona. The 2020 car does stay true to its roots and preserves the familiar livery that was first introduced in 2018. Now the car borrows heavily from the 2019 livery and has a splash of red and white. Now the initial impressions suggest an unchanged nose with a tapered, more narrow design. Nearly all of the teams this year have launched their 2020 cars with a tweaked nose design. Additionally, the car also has a minor design change to the mirrors. The side pods look unchanged along with the front wings. Now, another major change appears to be at the roll hoop inlet. Alfa Romeo has gone with a triangular shaped element placed in front of the roll hoop. Now, the 2019 car featured a square-shaped design. Now, Alfa initially teased a snakeskin livery, but was only used for testing. The team completed a shakedown at the iconic Friano track in Italy, and they did that before traveling to Barcelona for the official testing. Now the C39, like its predecessors, will be powered by a Ferrari engine. The team has invested in major upgrades for car development, particularly in its wind tunnel and simulator. Now, unfortunately, last year, the race team didn't have a memorable campaign for 2019, and the team struggled with consistency and failed to repeat 2018's performance. Now, Alfa Romeo did, however, manage to pick up the 4th and 5th places at the Brazilian Grand Prix. The team will be looking to regain some lost form and mount a stronger challenge in the upcoming season. And with Robert and Kimi as part of the team, Alfa Romeo has no shortage of experience. So now that F1 winter testing begins today, we now see the new C39, and I want to know what your thoughts are about Alfa Romeo's new race car. Also, what are your predictions for this 2020 season? Do you think Alfa Romeo has a shot this year? Now, with that said, my thoughts and opinions, this thing looks sinister. The photos look amazing. I mean, it's so beautiful. Italian design, Italian sounds. I mean, everything that comes from Italy is just marvelous to me. And this car is spectacular. It's nothing short of incredible. That is my opinion, but I want to know yours down in the comments below. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on Alfa Romeo's new C39 race car for 2020. Now, with that said, if you guys also want to help support the channel, check the link down below. I do have a link for my PayPal in case you guys want to do a one-time donation. You can donate $1, $2, 50 cents, whatever to support the channel. I appreciate your help. You can also check out the Patreon subscription too if you guys want to be monthly subscribers, or just check out the Ron's Rise merch, t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise with the logo there. Make sure you check that out. And you can also check out the social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, where I'm posting Alfa Romeo, Maserati, and Ferrari content. Some that doesn't even make it to the channel. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed. Subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.